Hi everyone, I am Jo and welcome to Average Jo Makeup. So for this video, I'm going to show you how I did this look. I used orange and pink eyeshadow for this look. So in this video, I tried something new where I did my eyebrows first and then my eyes. So including my eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, and then I moved on to my face. So this is something new that I've never done before. This is the first time I'm doing it and I like it. I think it makes sense. I think it's good when you are trying out different colors or dark eyeshadow because it gives you the chance to clean up the fallouts on your cheeks and your face. I think I'm going to try to do this more often. Since this is new, I feel like it took me longer to do my eyebrows this time, but it was so much fun. I really had fun. I really enjoyed trying out new things, new colors, and even new ways of doing my makeup. And once again, before we begin, I am not a professional makeup artist. Everything I show in my videos is just how I do my own makeup. The tips, tricks, and techniques that I use work for me but might not work for anyone else. Makeup is an art and can be expressed however you want. So if you want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. So I already have my contact lenses on and I already did my skincare routine and I'm moving on to makeup. So for this video, I'm going to start with my eyes and then move on to the rest of my face. So I'm just using my wet wipes and pinching the brush that I use for my eyebrows so that it's easier for me to draw. So I will also show you how I change up my brow shape sometimes. So whenever I do this type of brows, there will always be those spots, empty spots like this one. That even though I will fill it in with the brow product, it will still look like there's an empty spot because there's no actual brow hair on that part. So since my brow hair is black, I'm going to use a black eyeshadow to fill this in, but not too much, just to make an illusion that there is brow hair on that part. So you don't always have to use black eyeshadow, you have to use whatever color your brow hair is so that it doesn't look too dark if your brow hair is not dark. So I'll just do the same thing in other parts that look like there's an empty spot. So you might think that it looks too dark, but that's because there's nothing else in my face yet. So now I'm going to use concealer to clean up the outline of my eyebrows. So I forgot to mention that for that part, I'm using Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. So now I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. And now I'm going to move on to eyeliner. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply mascara. For my mascara, I'm using Maybelline New York, the colossal. So now I'm going to apply false eyelashes off camera. Eyelashes are on, and of course, to complete the eye look, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. So for my brow bone, I'm going to use Catrice Highlighting Eyeshadow. So now we're moving on to the face. So I'm going to start with a primer, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. And now I'm moving on to foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Long Wear Foundation. For my concealer, I'm going to use Maybelline New York Instant Anti-Age Corrector Concealer. And I'm just going to set everything with Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Pressed Powder. Moving on to contour, I'm going to use Maybelline New York City Bronzer and Contour Powder. And now I'm going to move on to blush and then highlight. For my blush, I'm using Sephora Colourful Matte. And now I'm moving on to highlight. So for my highlight, I'm going to use Urban Decay Afterglow Highlighter. So for my lips, I'm not going to use a lipstick because I want to keep it more natural. So I'll be using my everyday lip balm. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my highlighter, my Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter. I'm going to use my ring finger, and I'm going to take highlighter, and then I'm going to put it on my lips. So that's it for the lips. So this is the final look. So this will be a part of my playing with makeup, playing with colors playlist. And if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you have any comments, feedback, suggestions, or requests, then leave a comment in the comment section. And please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. So that's at Average Joe Makeup. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!